Hi, my name's Arthur. This is Cantankerous Tech, and today I want to babble about USB-C PD, Power Delivery. This is not the most ideal recording setup, but I just changing how I lay out my apartment a little bit more. Have you ever thought about USB PD, USB Power Delivery? A lot of our devices like smartphones and stuff have USB-C ports now. There's different protocols for charging. The one that I think intrigues me the most is part of the open spec. It's called USB-PD or Power Delivery. And USB-C Power Delivery is kind of this communication between the charger, the cable, and the device. The charger will say, for example, I am a 25-watt charger. And the cable says, I can handle voltages up to 65 watts. And the device says, I can only charge at 15 watts. And they'll do that communication across and deliver the proper amount of voltage to the USB-C device. And that is amazing. So I have 3 chargers. One is a 15 watt, one is a 25 watt, and the last one is a 60 watt one. Now you'll never guess which one of these cables can charge my phone, my tablet, my earbuds, and my laptop. All of them. Every single one of them. Even the lowest voltage one can charge my highest voltage item, which is my laptop. Full x86 computer. They all can, of course, charge all my devices, with the exception of older USB-C devices. But before I dive into the older devices, I just want you guys to remember that I have a Patreon. Subtle hint drop. Now this is infuriating, but I have a pair of headphones that are like this, where if you have a USB-C power delivery device, it will not charge at all. It tells the cable there's nothing there because the little processor inside the device does not tell the cable and thus tell the jack which voltage they need, so it gives them nothing. 2 devices I have do not support the USB-C PD and will not charge at all unless they have an old USB 2 cable with a C head on it. One of them is my headphones and the other one is my cute little Mio handheld. Technically this thing can charge over USB-C, but again, a PD cable, PD plug, it just says there's nothing there. So I actually have to use an old USB 2 cable with a C head on it. Very annoying and completely breaks the standard, which is great. Thank you for watching this ridiculous little short video. Let me know, have you taken the plunge and migrated all your goods to USB-C? How many devices are left in that migration? For me, it's this camera and my drone. I love my drone.